Hey everyone, today I need to talk about a massive problem in computing, the memory wall. Right now, processors are blazing fast, but a standard RAM is totally passive. It acts like a slow bucket that just holds data. Every single time a processor needs to do math, it has to pull terabytes of data all the way across the motherboard. This creates a massive traffic jam and wastes an insane amount of electricity just moving files back and forth, doing zero actual work. We are basically trying to fuel a jet engine with medicine dropper. It doesn't work anymore. To fix this, I designed a completely new architecture that transforms memory from a passive storage box into a smart active computing engine, introducing HyperRAM XV5. Let's look how I broke the physical speed limits. First, HyperRAM XV5 completely throws away traditional vertical RAM sticks. I chose the flat CAMM2 compression form factor. This lets the chip completely flat against the motherboard, shortening the distance data has to travel and cutting down signal noise inside. I integrated the 3D TSV stack DRAM stacking up to 16 memory dies vertically to cram up to 2 terabyte of capacity into single module. Next is pure speed. HyperRAM XV5 targets a staggering effective data rate of 17,600 MT per second. I reached this by switching from traditional binary signaling to PAM4 multi-leveling signaling. Instead of sending zeros and ones, PAM4 uses four different voltage levels to squeeze out 2 bits of data into single clock cycle. I doubled the speed without melting the hardware. Best of all, it runs on an ultra low voltage grid of just 0.8 volts for the core logic, using high K metal gate transistors to stop power leakage dead in its track.
But here is the absolute best part of the design: processing in memory or PIM. HyperMX V5 doesn't just store data, it thinks. I embedded a dedicated matrix multiplication accelerator and an AI inference engine directly inside the memory layers. Instead of wasting time sending huge AI data files to an external GPU, my RAM calculates the math on die, right where the data lives. This gives a single module up to 50 TOPS or TOPS of AI processing power localized into 8-bit integer parallel matrix arrays. To keep it under extreme enterprise workloads, I integrated a carbon nanotube thermal interface to vacuum heat instantly managed by my custom thermal adaptive refresh engine to keep everything safe within 25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. HyperMX V5 proves that the future of hardware isn't just making memory bigger, it is about making memory smarter. This architecture is fully open for buying blueprint or architectural layout. Thank you.